Okay, this is going to be a room tour of the room number 2812 at the Hilton, Niagara Falls, Ontario, at the South Tower. So this is the room key. The elevators are down there, we're on floor 28. Okay, scan our card. May have to mute some parts. Deadbolt. This is like a little peephole you can see. Fire evacuation instructions. This is the bathroom. Pretty nice vanity mirror. Got some like soaps. There's a drinking glass. Your sink. Tissues, towel. There's some in-room items right there. Toilet. Your shower, which has like an arch shower curtain. Let me close the door here. Guess this is like a jacuzzi or something. Pretty nice, I must say. I guess it's like a hanger if you have towels or bathing suits. You can hook it in that thing right there. Okay, we're gonna come out and turn the lights off. I'm gonna try not to show the TV on camera. But this is your closet, which has there's grips right there. And my clothes. This is a safe up here. You can see pretty good security feature. It opens. Not gonna demonstrate it or anything because it's for a it's for some like reason or something. This is the bed right over here, which you can see has some like pillows. There's a painting. I'm not gonna show the TV because I want to get a copyright strike.
When you go in there, we'll turn it off.
Pretty nice beds right here. There isn't standard hotel telephone. Telephone dialing and information rates. Got a lighting thing right there. Alarm clock radio. Is that like a clock radio as well?
Mm-hmm.
This is a drawer. The beds are pretty comfy. I'll tell you. You can turn off the TV. Okay. So, this is the TV right here. It's a Samsung. Snacks. You have an ice container. That's like a mini fridge. Coffee and tea. Drawers. Oh, they got some like linens in there. Pretty sure it's the same at the bottom. You can turn it back on. Thank you. You're welcome. Suitcase. This is like a desk, or if you had a laptop or something, you could work if you wanted to. This is like a guest services guide. I'm not going to show all of it because it might take a while to go through. Restaurants and stuff like that. This is like Wi-Fi. I normally would use the Wi-Fi, but seems like they charge you if you use it. Got notepads and stuff like that. Another telephone, like a white thingy right there. It's like you can plug your electronics in. Okay, here's a desk. Over here is the view. Not bad for a hotel. If we move in a little closer, you can see the falls view. You can see the Niagara, the falls, the American side. There's like a casino kind of place on there, and the Sky One Tower is on the other side, but I'm not going to show it because for this glass, if I point it that way, you could even see like what's on the TV. But I don't want to get copyright strike. This opens, so you can sort of see down there. Seems like unlike most of the hotel rooms I've stayed in, they don't have like a proper air conditioning unit like what you would see at a Ramada or a Hilton kind of property. Thermostat. I guess this is where your air conditioning will be. Another white there. Pretty typical hotel room, although I do like the view, which you can sort of see the rest down there. Pretty nice. So that's it. Hope you like this video.